What's up guys, welcome in for another unboxing. Here I got some Thai Kitchen coconut cream. Just kidding, this is an eBay purchase. Got a pretty cool set in here, excited for you guys to see it. Seller accepted a best offer. I thought it was a crazy deal, pretty happy. Hopefully it looks as good as the photos. There it is. The first edition Machamp. Let's open it up. Cool little Nintendo logo there. There it is. Damage coins. Or whatever they were called, I forgot. Manual, the rules. Let's see. I think the only one that's labeled first edition is the Machamp. Nothing else would be labeled. Nothing up front of it. I think I see it. There it is. It's pretty much the only one I wanted, but everything else is cool just to have. This looks pretty good. Nice condition. Shadowless. Little white there, but overall it was described as never played, so everything else just basic, but that's pretty cool. The box, damage and rulebook make up for everything, makes it all worth it. So that's pretty much the hit, man. Thanks for joining. Look out for the next video.